These are the ones that I really like. We love coming in the morning, especially on the weekend on Sunday, because nobody's here. These are the ones that we like. You just have to sand them down a little bit. But we like the color for now, and then stain it later on, because that's not really important. What we really want is to make them some bunk beds, maybe like 5 feet. Y'all want to share a bunk bed? Junior's bed on top of ours, and I have like laundry and all that shit. We're about to we'll surround together the bed. That's how they came out. They look so awesome. But yeah, hopefully we get this done right now, and I'll show you guys the end result. Yeah, we're almost done. Hubby is just cutting these pieces, and yeah, I was putting away the laundry and all that, just so we don't have much to do except, you know, move the beds and all that. That I'm gonna put underneath these beds too, because it's about a foot off of the floor. But oh my god, it's looking so bomb. I'm so glad I married a handyman. You want your babies too? Scooby-Doo? Yeah. Scooby-Doo and your little rockhead. Okay. Alright. Good night, guys. Bye. Goodbye. Love you. Alright. I have my music playing. I'm about to put on my chanclas. And I'm gonna start cleaning but I'm tired of seeing it really cluttered. Like, I love seeing their books and all that, but I just really want to put them in here. But it's filled with winter and fall decor. It ended up looking like, I mean, it looks a little bit better. I don't feel like it's too cluttery, but I did have to shove all the stuff in here. I can't put the shelf in between right now to divide it, because I lost the little things that help it like get stabilized. So yeah, I just left their puzzles out. You know, here are their letters, and it was like a little CD player thing for sing-alongs. I put some of my books that I want to read, and like our little Bibles. You know, these are like my collections when I was like a teen. But yeah, I feel like it looks a little bit better. Oh yeah, they also I cut out some tissue paper. So they made these little sunlight catchers. They look so cute. And with the extra paper, I'm gonna individually wrap some of the stuff that I got them. That way they're like more surprised about it. I don't know, because I didn't know what else to do with these, so I'm gonna take out some of them and kind of individually wrap it. And I'm also gonna do that for my niece and put her some chocolate. I also forgot to put these inside the kids' basket. I did get one of the kids one of these, but it's like a cranking one, so I'm gonna be putting this one in the other kids' basket. And for my niece's stuff, I'm gonna put some more chocolate. I'm gonna take her to go buy her shoes next weekend, hopefully. I don't know if I should put the cotton candy for their Easter basket or let them eat it today. Yesterday we went to Walmart and we got them PJs for the summer. Not the summer, but like short sleeve. We got this one for Isaac and this one for Junior. And then I also needed to get them an outfit for Easter. And I'm gonna put it in their basket. Well, actually, no. I don't know if I'm gonna put it in their basket or not, but this one's for Isaac. It says I am the future, and I got him the blue jeans because he doesn't have any blue jeans. They're only $5 each, so I thought it was a great price. And then I got some khakis for Junior because he doesn't have any. And I got him this cool dinosaur one, kind of like a tie-dye dinosaur. It looks really cool. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. So that was pretty cool. My impatient ass was opening the package on the way over here, and I dropped one, so I had to go back and go look for it. Thankfully it was still there, so it's all Gucci. The one that fell was the little nail art, but yeah, it just has like cute little rhinestone pieces. It's kind of like the multicolor one with cute little gold shapes. I'll just take a picture of it because I don't know, it's not like trying to focus on the object I'm putting in front. So yeah, the next one is these like 3-tip eyebrow pencils, or liquid eyebrow pencils. It came with 2, and I got them in 01 black. That's the blackest one they had, so I got that one. Also ordered some nails, well, nail tipped. No, yeah, pressed, like kind of like those false nails. I got the oval ones. These are kind of like a rose nude color. And I got these neutral ones, like coffin shape. Sorry if you guys can see hear my kids, but they're playing in the back. And then the last one that I got were these pairs of socks that says, Master has given Dobby a sock. Dobby is free, from Harry Potter. But yeah, I was just wanted to show you guys what I got real quick. But I need to go and referee these kids, and yeah, I'll just close out the video here. And thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna try and put all the hauls together or something like that. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.